How to check sent requests on Instagram. If you want more videos like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are more uploads in this channel. So what we'll do now is go to our Instagram. Once you are here on our Instagram, just click on your profile. So that is in your bottom right corner, on the bottom right corner. And then click on the three dots above so that we will see these options and go to your activity. Once in your activity, go to your download your information, and here you can also view past file requests. So I have done this before. And then just request and make sure that it is on your Instagram and go to your complete copy. You can also change the date range here at the bottom. So I will change it to last week and go to save. And after that, if you are satisfied with the settings, click on submit request. So it is now pending, and if it is now ready to download, just click on download and you will also get an email if it is ready to download. So I hope this helps for you and see you on the next video.